Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm very excited to share my skincare routine, and I recently discovered the benefits of flaxseed gel for the face. It's simple to make flaxseed gel at home. All you need is a generous amount of water in a pan. Start adding flaxseed. Wait around 10 minutes until you see a jelly-like layer on the top. Then you need to wait until it's cooled down, and then you're gonna strain it. Here is your flaxseed gel ready. Now it's ready to use. First of all, it's super moisturizing. I know it's a slimy texture, but believe me, it's have a lots of benefits for your skin. It's not about the feel. I want to tell you that flaxseed is packed with the omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants. These are like superheroes for your skin, fighting off inflammation and leaving you with fresh, glowing and hydrated skin. After applying, let it sit on your face for a good at least for 15 minutes. And here I am, fresh faced after washing off the flaxseed gel and going through my skincare routine. Check out that fabulous glow on my face. Thank you so much for watching.